Hello dear students, so in this video we are going to talk about the distribution of MBBS and BDS seats in Assam. So let's see one by one what are the distributions. So अगर हम इंस्टीट्यूट के हिसाब से सीट के डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देखें तो गुवाहाटी मेडिकल कॉलेज इन असम मेडिकल कॉलेज में 200 सीट्स अवेलेबल है। सिलचर मेडिकल कॉलेज, जोरहाट मेडिकल कॉलेज, FAMC बारपेटा, तेजपुर मेडिकल कॉलेज, इसमें 125 सीट्स पर कॉलेज अवेलेबल है। अगर हम डीफू मेडिकल कॉलेज, LMC, DHMC या NMC नलबाड़ी के सीट्स देखें तो इधर 100 सीट्स ईच कॉलेज अवेलेबल है। सो दीज आर बेसिकली इंस्टीट्यूट वाइज हमारे कितने सीट्स हमें मिल रहे हैं। सो अगर हम देखें NMC नौगांव, KMC, तिनसुकिया मेडिकल कॉलेज 100 सीट्स पर कॉलेज अवेलेबल है। तो ग्रैंड टोटल अगर हम देखें MBBS सीट्स इन असम 1600 है। देन वी कैन कम टू द कोटा। तो ऑल इंडिया कोटा, so for all India quota we have 241 seats. In central pool we have 6 seats. For Bhutan we have 5 seats, and the northeast states Meghalaya and Nagaland have 10 and 2 seats respectively. So other than the state quota seats we have 1336 seats available. Now let us see for the state reserved seats. For EWS we have 80 seats, for SC 94, for ST Plains 134, Koch Rajbangshi community we have 13 seats, for ST Hills we have 67, for OBC, MOBC, NCL we have 283 seats. For Chutia community we have 9 seats. For TGL or ex-TGL we have 30 seats. For Moran community we have 8 seats. For Motak community we have 8 seats. For Tai Ahom community we have 10 seats. So total reserved seats come up for 736. In special category for NRI quota we have 42 seats. The unreserved seats are 558. For freedom fighter we have 2 seats. For children of martyr we have 2 seats. For extremist violence we have 2 seats. For Char areas quota we have 4 seats. Children of ex-servicemen there are 9 seats. In sports quota we have only 1 seat. And for with people with physical disability Divyang 5% seats are reserved, which is 67, which gives us the grand total of 1600 seats. Now let's see the institute and quota wise distribution of BDS seats. For RNC Guwahati we have 50 seats. In Government Dental College Dibrugarh we have 63 seats, and in Government Dental College Silchar we have 63 seats, which totals to 176 seats. If we talk about quota, for EWS we have 6%, which is 13 seats. For SC we have 9, for ST Plain 13, ST Hills 7, and for OBC and MOBC NCL we have 28. For TGL or ex-TGL we have 3 seats. For Moran, Motak, Tai Ahom, Chutia and Koch Rajbangshi community we have 1 seats. So total state reserved seats are 78, and the unreserved seats are 54. For students of Assam State Government School there are 7 seats, and the children of ex-servicemen there are 3 seats. And for the PWT quota, which is the Divyang, there are 5% of seats reserved, which is total 7 seats, and the grand total of BDS seats are hence 176 seats. For any further enquiry or help regarding your counseling procedure, do contact us to the number provided, and like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.